Welcome to my channel. I'm Miyu. I am a coach who specializes in women's emotional wellness. This channel is all about helping you fall in love with yourself and your life so you can wake up in the morning excited and energized. Notice the beautiful things that your life offers and attract what you desire and go to sleep at night happy and peaceful. In each video, I answer one question I receive from people and occasionally share some content that I think might be helpful. So with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Okay, so the question that I'm answering today is, I started to realize that I'm facing emptiness and retirement in next 2 years and don't really even know what me time is. I would like to know how to relax and calm my anxiety so I can be happy and enjoy the next stage of my life. So first of all, congratulations on your retirement and the new chapter of your life. It's not uncommon to feel a bit overwhelmed or lost when you suddenly realize that your life would soon change dramatically. So today I'm going to share 20 me time ideas so you can pick and choose the ones you like. But first, I want you to do a little exercise. Think about what kind of feelings or emotions you want when you imagine how you want to spend your me time. Do you want to feel happy, excited, calm, or inspired? Come up with at least 10. If you're clear on the feelings or emotions, it makes it a lot easier to decide how you spend your me time. So every time you wonder what to do for that day, think about the feelings you just came up with and choose activities based on them. Once you know the feelings, it's time to figure out exactly what you want to do. So for the morning, what you can do is, idea number 1, go for a walk. You can walk around your neighborhood, but also drive or take transportation to a place where you feel rejuvenated, like parks, gardens, or hiking trails. Idea number 2 is journaling. I personally love journaling and always recommend it to my clients. It deepens self-discovery, provides a way to process emotions, and helps to reduce stress. If you're a beginner and don't know what to write about, you can look for journaling prompts online and journal your answer. And if you're at advanced and comfortable journaling, I recommend you try the morning pages. The morning pages are a type of journaling habit that's done when you wake up in the morning. It helps you clear your mind and unleash your creativity. And how you do is very simple. Write 3 pages of longhand of any thoughts that come up in your head. So next, idea number 3 is meditation. If you already know how to meditate, then you can add it to your daily morning routine. But if you are a beginner, you can learn how to do it. I personally like Ziva Meditation by Emily Fletcher. She makes learning meditation easy and fun. She has online courses but also many free videos on YouTube, so you can check her out if you're interested. Okay, so let's move on to what you can do during the day. Idea 1, read a book. Idea 2, paint your nails or go get mani-pedi. Idea 3, go shopping for a new outfit or just window shopping. Spending time trying out what suits you and looks good will make you a world of good. Idea 4, sign up for a class you're interested. It can be a gym class if you like to work out. It can be a knitting class, painting, foreign language, or cooking, or whatever you like. You can take physical classes but also online classes. Idea 5, do a project in your house that you've been wanting to do for ages. Painting some furniture, creating some artwork, whatever you love doing. Idea 6, spend time with your friends. You can talk to them over the phone, but you can go to have fancy lunch or afternoon tea with them. Idea 7 is clean out your closet. Idea 8 is check out a museum or art exhibit. Idea 9 is take yourself out to lunch or sit in your favorite coffee shop and read and write. Idea 10 is explore a new city or town. Plan a day based on how you feel and drive or take transportation to go to a place you've never been to. Idea 11 is volunteer. You can look for a place for volunteer work that you feel passionate about. Okay, so let's move on to me time ideas for the nighttime. Idea 1, take a bath. You can light some candles, add some essential oils, or play relaxing music to make it more enjoyable. Idea 2, go technology free. Turn off your phone and enjoy being silent. Idea 3, watch movie or documentary. Idea 4, spend time cooking something you love. Plan what you want to eat, go grocery shopping, cook for yourself and enjoy it. Idea 5, spend extra time on the body or skincare. You can exfoliate your body with a sugar scrub, hydrate your skin with a facial mask, or smooth your skin with a body roller. Idea 6 is doing evening yoga or stretches. It helps to bring a sense of calming and resting to your body. Okay, so those are the 20 ideas you can use for your me time. I hope you got some inspiration from them and start to look forward to the new chapter of your life. If you want to ask me any questions about emotional wellness, self-love, self-care, anything like that, you can find the form in the description below. And if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye! Do you want to live a worry-free life and stop the what-if cycle? I know what it's like to worry a lot. I've been there big time. I used to constantly worry about almost anything in my life, and it felt like there was no way out of this unhealthy cycle. So what helped me? Controlling what-ifs by understanding the root causes. This method helped me not only become aware of my brain habits and how they affect me, but turn negative brain functions into positive ones. It helped me so much that it got me thinking, what if I make a workbook with all the exercises and tools that help me stop worrying and see the world as a safe and loving place so others can benefit from this? That is why I have created this 34 pages step-by-step guide. Are you interested? You can click the link in the description below and download it now for free. I hope it helps you as much as it has helped me and other people.